I am Giovanni Henry, a 22-year-old economic and finance student of the University of the West Indies Cable Campus in Barbados. One of my main passions is that of environmental conservation and preservation. Coming from a small island state and being on the front line of climate change, the environment is a critical aspect, and seeing how we are deeply affected by this, I think has fueled my desire to want to make a positive contribution and serve as a catalyst in me taking action in terms of protecting our environment, not only for us, but for future generations. So earlier this year, I was selected as part of 8 young climate activists throughout the Alliance of Small Island States to get on board the Peace Boat Ocean and Climate Youth Ambassadors Program. This program was partly sponsored by the Peace Boat, but also the Organization of the Eastern Caribbean States, the OECS Commission. So our Peace Boat Ocean and Climate Youth Ambassadors Program began on May 24th in the city of Valletta, Malta. We also had several activities both in port as well as on board the Peace Boat. Through this experience, we get to bring our story, we get to give them a deeper understanding of the situation they face, which maybe in the end will influence a change in behavior. We are not the major contributors of climate change, but we stand to be greatly affected. But it is those in the developed world that are the main contributors. That is why through this program we were able to meet with persons from Grenada, from Morocco, as well as Portugal, where we got to bring our story to them, all in efforts of influencing positive change. Globally, we are at a critical juncture in that climate change is on our doorsteps. As young people, I believe that it is our responsibility to lead these efforts, which is why I would encourage other young persons to get involved in such programs, as it granted the opportunity to not only enhance their capacity, but to also lobby, but to also influence others into taking positive action that will ensure the conservation and preservation of our planet. Indeed, I must say I'm indeed grateful to the OECS Commission for supporting this venture, as it has not only enhanced my capacity, but it has helped me forge different networks and connections that could be not only to benefit to me, but also benefit to our country and by extension our region.